Do you not like to show your face in camera? Well, you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your voice to Instagram Reels so that you can have engaging videos without showing your face. So there's two main ways to add your voice to an Instagram Reel. The first one is to record yourself using your voice while you're making your video. So I could record myself talking and I'm talking on camera. This is me with my voice. Or I could record something that I'm doing. So if as I'm demonstrating the thing, I could be talking about it like, see what you're recording, blah, blah, blah. I'm demonstrating this. And because I'm having my voice talk now, then I can use the voice later. Or you can actually add the voice later on to the clips and put it on top of that. So let's show you how to do all this. So to get to Reels, so I just went into Instagram. If I want to get into Reels, I can press this plus sign here at the bottom, and then instead of post, I'm just going to want to go to Reel, and then I can add this clip of me talking, this clip of me demonstrating. Skip this. The reason you want to skip that is because it's going to create a video for you with edited stuff. So you can see I have my voice in here, so I have myself talking. I even have myself talking when I'm demonstrating this, so I can add my voice that way. Or there's another way you can add it. So let's say, and so I don't have any audio in this and I want to add audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a voiceover. So voiceover is the easiest way to add your voice to your video if you didn't film it. So what you do is you go over down here to voiceover, you click on voiceover, and you're just going to put the white indicator line to where you want to start recording. So I want to start recording right here. And then you put it down, it's going to count down from 3, and you just talk into your mic. So you want to first set up your shot, make sure it looks good, and then once it looks good, you're ready to start filming. The great thing about this is you see here, I was telling you about the mic, and then I didn't actually start talking to here. You can actually click on that voiceover and you can cut that beginning part so that it only has the part that you want and you can get rid of it. So it's pretty sweet because you can finally have controls over the voiceover. So you can see I have voice from my camera and voice from me talking. But the only way that this is going to work is if you have no noise that is coming on the video clip where you're talking, where you're going to be talking over. So if there was audio on that clip, so like say there was like big bangs and I needed to get rid of that. So the good way to do that is just when you're in your video, you can go to edit and then you can go to this volume, turn that off. That way when you add that video, it's not going to have any audio on it so that your voiceover is going to be louder. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.